By the way, I'm driving in Delhi with Delhi wala boy Aman Gupta, who is too busy waving to his fans than talking to me. Please come down to earth, Aman.
Yes, I am sorry.
Shark Tank में आपने कहा कि first time you went to
Banda, sir, banda.
What is banda?
Banda means the person. The guy. You're very bad in Hindi. Spend some time.
I'm translating. I am very good with this Delhi wala Hindi. You want me to start?
Life will go on. I will never retire. I don't think I will ever retire.
No, you should never retire. I am also never going to retire.
Yeah.
I think we'll continue.
Yeah.
Some people follow a map, some people create one. The reason I'm really excited about my guest today on this beautiful new show, The New Business of Life with Mercedes-Benz, is because Aman Gupta, who's my guest, is no ordinary businessman, no ordinary entrepreneur. He's an unconventional guy. Many of you know him, obviously, with the big company he's founded called The Boat. It has a whole legion of supporters called Boatheads. Maybe you're a boathead, I don't know. But more importantly, many people may find him one of India's most visible entrepreneurs, as that quirky judge on Shark Tank. Whichever be your way of knowing Aman Gupta, it is very unlikely that any of you don't know Aman Gupta, and that itself is his success story. A person who believes that his own visibility adds to his brand. A person who's used marketing to excel in product creation, but a person who always carries India close to his heart. In a way, Aman's story is far from complete. He's got many more journeys to go. But the one reason I am looking forward to this conversation is because Aman Gupta is a self-made man. I like self-made people. I like people who started from zero. I started from zero myself with absolutely nothing but a dream and an aspiration. And I like aspirational people, and that's why I think I'm going to love this conversation with Aman. So without boring you anymore with a long introduction, let me say, hello Aman, how are you?
Yeah. No, good to see you.
Good to see you, Aman. Good to see you, and you're looking good. And I'm glad to meet you in the heart of the national capital.
Yeah, it's different. I've never had an interview like this before.
Yes, it's different. We are standing here, and right behind us is the flyover that goes to Sarai Kale Khan. On that road side, that road goes to INA.
INA.
You know, I used to live in Mayur Vihar. I used to drive down every single day to the first studio I worked at, which was at Greater Kailash.
Wow.
And
NDTV.
NDTV, yes. And
I was in horse cars.
yeah, you were in horse cars.
Yeah.
We used to go to horse cars for those beautiful sunny winter lunches.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll go one day.
Yeah, our office is there.
Yeah.
Horse Cars Village. That's our office.
Still there?
Yeah.
Wow. So, Aman, you're a Delhi boy.
Yeah.
Tell me about yourself, something that I don't know right at the start.
Delhi boy, yeah. As you know, as I always say, you can, there's a line called, you can take a man out of Delhi. You know, Aman, a man, right? You can take a man out of Delhi, but you can't take a man out of Delhi. That's me. That's Aman. I'm a full-hearted Delhi boy. And, wherever I've worked, whether it was JBL, Harman, their office was in Bangalore, but I told my boss I want to stay in Delhi.
Yeah.
So I've been wherever my co-founder, Sameer, he is based out of Bombay and I'm based out of Delhi. So even when it's been like more than 7-8 years, we've been in different cities. So I cannot go out of Delhi. I love Delhi so much.
Yeah. Well, what is it that has really made you, Aman, from where you started? Was I right in my introduction when I said you started from zero?
Yeah, it was. I would say I started from negative. I had like more negative because I had a few failed businesses. So I didn't start from a normal zero. I was very low, down under. And then God has been kind. Boatheads have been kinder. And, Boat is Touchwood doing whatever it is.
Yeah. Well, I'm going to look forward to this chat. I'm going to drive you.
Oh wow, that should be fun.
I'm not the best driver around.
Yeah, and I'm so happy to see you in this attire.
Oh God, should I start anchoring like this?
I wore a coat just because I thought I'm meeting you, and you are now in.
I surprised you.
I surprised you too.
I'm also a Delhi wala boy.
Yeah.
I'll tell you a bit about myself.
Yeah.
which you may not know. I studied in Hindu college.
अच्छा, wow.
I used to live in a place called Bhai Parmanand Colony, which was behind Kingsway Camp,
अच्छा,
Mukherjee Nagar के पीछे.
अच्छा,
वहाँ पे 99% of the people who are in Bhai Parmanand Colony are preparing for UPSC.
wow.
I was also supposed to be preparing for UPSC, but I never
Crazy.
became. So I'm also a Delhi boy. I studied in Delhi, Mount St. Mary's, Delhi Kent, Hindu
Yeah,
College.
wow,
So
that's amazing.
worked here 10 years. So I have a lot of Delhi in me.
Correct.
So let's take a drive.
Yeah, let's-
of Delhi, Aman.
Let's do that.
Let's take a drive. Ladies and gentlemen, we're taking Aman Gupta, the shark, for a long drive.
Yeah, let's go.
ऐसे ही करते होंगे ये ड्राइव.
बटन नहीं है वहाँ. यार, he doesn't know how to drive. What are you making me do?
चलो यार.
चलती कैसे गाड़ी का स्विच.
अभी चलो.
जय माता दी.
बंद करो.
जय माता दी. जय माता दी.
ये हो रहा है कि नहीं? चलो. ये है ना. चल रही है. Aman, shall we go, Aman?
Let's go, sir.
चलो
मैं
Aman.
आपको गाड़ी
हाँ?
चलाते हुए बैठ के
गाड़ी
आपके साथ-
चलाते
चलो.
हुए, don't worry, I know how to drive the car. I'm a master at this.
Yeah.
Shall we start,
Yeah,
Aman?
let's go.
So Aman, are we ready to roll?
Absolutely, sir.
Okay, Raman. So it's beautiful,
Yes.
sunny, early winter afternoon. 12:30 in the afternoon on the streets of Delhi, and Aman has trusted me in this car to roll around the streets of Delhi, and he's been doing Jai Mata Di. Why? You have a problem with trust, Aman?
no, sir. It's
Huh?
okay. The way just got a little scared.
What are you scared of, Aman? Don't worry. You're
Nobody's,
perfectly safe.
nobody's scared of you, sir. Nobody. Not even in the TV, sir. We
I
don't,
think
and
I-
when you say we watch you, we don't even watch you, sir. We hear you also, sir. We sell headphones. We amplify the sound, and you also are a perfect example of how sound can be amplified and seen and heard. Right?
Is that all you think about all the time?
No,
sound?
not
is
at
it?
all. Yeah,
Huh? You
actually.
think about sound all the time?
It's like it's in my खून, sir.
In what way?
सर हेडफोन बेचते हैं जहाँ देखो आते जाते हम मार्केटिंग करते रहते हैं अपनी. हमारा सॉरी इन इंग्लिश इट्स लाइक क्या बोलते हैं वी सेल साउंड. दैट्स आवर
Story बताओ अपनी. Tell me about your story, Aman. When did this obsession with sound start?
Sir, it is actually I used to work with my dad earlier
Huh?
when you were in NDTV.
Huh.
All the camera equipment and
Huh.
all the audio equipment was
Huh.
actually supplied by my dad.
Is that so?
Yeah.
Is that so?
These microphones we are wearing, these are Sennheiser microphones.
Okay.
And my dad used to supply these. So him and I, we started this company in 2004,
Huh.
around that time. और
हाँ.
तब हम लोग we used to sell to NDTV and TV18 and TV Today and even to you guys
Yeah.
now. So
Yeah.
that was this thing, and then I joined. I did my MBA, went around, and I joined JBL, sir. JBL.
Okay.
Have you heard of JBL, sir?
Yes, of course, because I'm not so.
Yeah.
What do you think I
No,
am?
but don't buy them. But you can use. Good to know about them, but
Regret.
I was working there, sir, just like you.
Ah.
And then I one day started, thought of
What
start.
were you working? What were you doing there? Sales?
So I was the director of sales there. So I was
Yeah?
the head of sales.
You used to sell speakers.
Yes,
So what was your line you used when you sold something? Your product. What you had a USP line for yourself?
For me.
Yeah.
Or
For the brand.
for the brand at boat,
No.
at JBL.
At JBL.
Sir, अच्छा था sir. It was a known name. It was a good company. It's an international brand. It's very well known worldwide, and it's a good opportunity. I'm very thankful, and I learned a lot from there. And I have a line which I always say that they paid me to teach me how to be their competitor, and that's how I
But that's
learned a
true,
lot.
no? When you know when you work for your competitor,
Yeah,
you know every in and out of that company. You know
Yeah.
what their weak points are. You know what their strengths are.
absolutely.
I've applied the same thing in life myself.
Absolutely, you're also a
It's
startup
difficult to
entrepreneur.
beat someone if they worked in the company and know its ins and outs, because you don't just know their weak points, you also appreciate their strengths.
Absolutely,
It's important to appreciate
yeah.
your competitors' strengths, I think.
100%, sir. I also like some of them,
Yeah.
not most of them, but yeah, some of them I appreciate.
Then
So वहाँ से सर सीखा अच्छा और सिखाया और फिर आगे बढ़े और एक दिन हमने सोचा इंडिया चेंज हो रही है, हमने बोला चल अमन ट्राई कर देखा जाएगा.
direct.
there's a story also when I told my boss sir मेरे पैसे बढ़ा दो, उन्होंने बढ़ा ही नहीं, तो मैंने बोला मार्केट में मिलते हैं सर.
हाँ, मार्केट में मिलते हैं. Very aggressive. Very aggressive. चलिए मार्केट में.
Passionate sir, passionate.
Passionate.
Yeah.
हाँ?
So market में मिलते हैं sir. That's and then I started, you know, with Sunil we started boat and
So what did the boss say when you said market में मिलते हैं?
नहीं सर, लोगों को ना शुरू में क्या होता है ना, whenever a new company starts and especially when you're one of your employees lead, you know, then it's a different thing that people start thinking that, you know, कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे types, right? छोटे से लोग हैं. It's also about, you know, sometimes David versus Goliath, right? Where
Yeah,
you don't
yeah,
think
yeah, I know
that any David can do anything to a Goliath.
Oh,
so
yes,
so
okay.
sometimes what happens, and it was very, you know, 2000, I'm talking about 2015, 16, people never expected a young small brand to start becoming, you know, known in the market.
This is just 10 years back?
Yeah,
No.
yeah,
You started 10 years back?
yeah. We launched.
It's just been 10 years?
Yeah,
Just 10 years?
yes sir.
Incredible.
In 2016, and yeah.
Incredible. Beautiful. Good story.
Hey, sir.
It's an amazing story. By the way, Aman,
God has been kind.
I also left Times Now. I started Times Now on my own.
Yeah.
And I left in 2016. I launched the product in 2017.
Yes, yes.
But I did not use this line. मुझे भी यूज करना चाहिए था. मार्केट में मिलते हैं आपको. और is that how you say it? आप देखो मार्केट में मिलते हैं. You have to say it in a particular
Yeah,
tone.
it has to be said like
Swag, with swag.
Yeah. Market में.
हाँ?
ऐसे बढ़ा
मार्केट
देगा,
में मिलते
market
हैं. पैसे बढ़ाओ मगर मार्केट में मिलते हैं.
नहीं तो.
I think you're better off with it. I sound very sort of, you know, wannabe Aman
No,
Gupta.
not true, sir, not true.
Okay, so that's a good, fantastic line, you know. And you know, you ever thought that you'd feel like this celebrity when you were starting out your company, this celebrity thing about you? It's become huge, Aman.
Yeah.
There have been a lot of people on Shark Tank. A lot of people on Shark Tank. No disrespect to the others.
Yeah, yeah.
Including the
fine.
more controversial
It's
ones.
fine, you can.
No, anyway,
Yeah.
whatever.
Yeah.
But you stand out, Aman.
That is sir.
You stand out. What is the secret of standing out in that fishbowl of Shark Tank?
Yeah.
What made you stand out, Aman? Changed your life? How did it start? Tell us about it. And you've given a lot of time to it.
Yeah.
And you're sort of this role model. Many people watching today will be watching to know you as a role model because of Shark Tank.
Yeah.
Not just because of boat.
100%, sir.
Am I right?
100%.
Am I overstating it? Or?
No, you're absolutely right, sir. There is no.
If I park the car anywhere right now, people will know you for Shark Tank and then for boats.
Yeah, yeah. You're right, sir.
Am I right?
Absolutely.
Is that a good thing or a bad thing, Aman?
Sir, I'll tell you, sir. You asked me, you know, when you were starting this conversation, Abhi, you said, "Ki, did you expect this to happen? Did you work towards it?" Sir, I think you know, my personal view is that I always say that I never thought that boat will be as big as it is today.
You never thought?
Yeah, no, I never thought that boat will be number one in India in audio for last few quarters. Never thought
Yeah.
that I will be a known face. You know,
Yeah.
it's like I never thought you know, people will love me or they will be an entrepreneur can be a celebrity. We were not born like that in an
Yeah.
era where people did not come for selfies for entrepreneur. I was born in an era where I used to take selfies from Bollywood people. Right?
Yeah.
Bollywood used to be one thing which used to inspire a lot of us in India. हम लोग बॉलीवुड के पीछे भागते थे सर, क्रिकेट के पीछे भागते थे. एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप के पीछे कौन भागता था सर? ऐसा नहीं था. एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप नेवर यूज्ड टू बी पॉजिटिव, इट्स टू बी मोर नेगेटिव.
That's
अभी ये बहुत सही हुआ है that people now, you know, I think post Shark Tank also, you know, a little bit has, you know, this coming on TV has helped that people are saying यार entrepreneurs भी बन सकते हैं. Entrepreneurship
बन
can
सकते हैं,
also
बन
be
सकते हैं.
celebrated.
Hmm.
US वगैरह में था सर. If you see an Elon Musk or a Jeff Bezos, people used to, you know,
था
people
15 साल पहले था. उससे पहले वहाँ पे भी ऐसा नहीं था.
नहीं
वहाँ पे there was institutionalized
Yeah.
business. See Ford, General Electric, Rolls-Royce. These are institutional businesses. This is not the dream business of a person who stands out on his own.
Yeah.
Entrepreneurship is also singular.
Yeah.
Entrepreneurship is individual based.
Yeah, yeah.
Am I right?
No, but you know,
And individual ambition as
but
well.
इंडिया में फिर भी हमें मार्क जुकरबर्ग पता था कौन है.
हमें
We used to
पता.
know स्टीव जॉब्स कौन थे. Right?
जी.
बट इंडिया में नहीं होता था. इंडिया में एंटरप्रेन्योर्स को नहीं सेलिब्रेट करते थे बिकॉज एक सेइंग थी सर कि बिजनेसमैन चोर होता है. यू नो, ये बहुत बड़ी एक मेंटल होता है कि बिजनेस कर रहा है, पैसे बना रहा है, तो चोरी करके बना रहा हो। वो चेंज हुआ है सर। अगर आप if you see in the last few years, it has changed a lot. And now I'm very happy that now young people want to be entrepreneurs. They come to me and there's so many parents and who say, yeah, my daughter is your fan or my son is your fan and they want to be like you. They want to be entrepreneurs. So it's a positive change for the society, sir.
But थोड़ा सा इसमें सवाल ये भी है
Yeah.
that this is a show we talk about the new business of life. So every episode for me and for the viewers is a learning experience. I want it to be not just another podcast kind of conversation. I want to be somewhere that we take away. Now, so I am a person who can challenge you on that prism as well because
Yes,
I am
do
also
that.
an entrepreneur.
Yeah,
So I want to
100%.
challenge you on that. My point is that, when I started out as an entrepreneur,
Yeah.
right, I was already in my early 40s.
Yeah.
Okay, and once you're 40 plus, being an entrepreneur is not a very cool thing. You've done it at a much earlier age.
Yeah.
But the bottom line is this, Aman, that I had 19, 20 years of work experience behind me.
Yeah.
I learned the in and out of the media industry,
Yeah.
of the news business. I was a reporter. I used to run around people with mics. I've edited stories. I've anchored shows. I've done the back end. I've done the hard work.
Yeah.
I've called people for my show.
Yeah.
I used to call people.
Yeah.
Mr. Pramod Mahajan, can you come on my show?
100%.
I used to call people. Even Prime Minister Narendra Modi had come on my show many times. I used to call, can you come on our show? So we've done the back end. We've done
Yeah.
the grind. Now, Aman, the problem is that entrepreneurship has become so in that people are forgetting about the grind. You need to have some what you call classically domain experience to be able to आप जो line देते हो ना, I'll meet you in the market. It's not just a line. It's also because you know the market.
Yeah. Correct.
What about people who don't know the market? They want to be entrepreneur day one. Is that a good thing? Would you take a 20-year-old without any life experience, without any knowledge, without any domain experience in the market and say, "Chalo bacha, be an entrepreneur"? Will you do that? Come on, give me an honest reply.
Honest sir,
Honest to goodness God
मैं
reply.
बताता हूँ सर, आप
बताओ.
you ask me whether आपने एक चीज बोली थी कि why do people like me on the show, right? Apart from why did I get into who I was and why do people like me? The answer is sir, मैं जो हूँ ना मैं सामने हूँ. I don't have any diplomacy in me. मैं जो बोलना होता है मैं बोल देता हूँ. Whether
हाँ, तो
people,
अभी भी बिंदास बोलो.
half of people like me for this, half of people hate me for this.
चलो कोई नहीं. You are with me. आप बोलो.
हाँ मैं बोल देता हूँ.
मैं भी ऐसे ही
So
हूँ.
which is what I think today's generation also loves. Yes, it has to be very authentic on who you are, right? That's love about.
अभी आंसर दो. You're sitting with me.
सर वो कोई फोटो लेने
वो तो आप
confuse हो गए.
ये प्रॉब्लम है आपका.
नहीं वो कोई आ गया
Driving with
था.
you that's the problem. See,
Yeah.
that's also something. By the way, viewers, I'm driving in Delhi with Delhi wala boy Aman Gupta, who is too busy waving to his fans than talking to me. Please come down to earth, Aman.
Yes, I am sorry sir.
You're on my show.
I forgot.
This
sir.
is
I
not your
I
show.
forgot, sir. India wants to know. Yes,
This
sir.
is my show.
Yes, sir.
Stop waving to your fans. Be modest.
अभी
Everybody
बाद में
knows.
बात करेंगे.
अरे आप पॉलिटिशियन हो.
नहीं,
आप
sorry.
पॉलिटिशियन हो. आप ये क्या कर रहे हो?
अरे
This
सर
is too much.
आपने बोला humble हो, मैं humble हो रहा हूँ.
क्या पता चांदनी चौक से it will be Aman
चांदनी चौक.
Aman Gupta fighting the
My
election.
dad used to be from there. So your question, sir, 20-year-old. I love these 20-year-olds. आपको सच
You
बता
love
रहा हूँ
what?
ना, I feel that the new India, sir, आप सही बताऊँ 21 साल तो बहुत मतलब आजकल तो बड़ी एज हो गई है बिजनेस स्टार्ट करने के लिए. I am starting to see people at 15 who are starting businesses.
Is that a good thing?
It is a very good thing, sir.
कैसे Aman?
क्यों नहीं सर जिसको
You
जो
are in,
करना है.
what domain expertise do you have? Suppose somebody wants to start a business in earphones
Yeah.
at 15.
Apart from earphones, please start it. Yes. Don't look at this.
Suppose somebody wants to start a news network at 15.
He will. He can.
Shut up. Shut up.
Earphone start करा दो. News network नहीं करा सकते.
Chalo, suppose somebody wants to start anything else.
But
okay?
I'll see you. A
Any
serious-
manufacturing.
serious
Serious note. Serious.
सर पता क्या होता है? These people will talk in a language which the young will understand. ठीक है? सपोज वो कुछ भी स्टार्ट करेंगे ना सर, उन्हें ये पता है कि जो यंग लोगों को क्या चाहिए. आजकल उनकी जनरेशन जो है ना, दे थिंक वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम आवर जनरेशन. सो उनकी जनरेशन वो उसके लिए वैसे स्टार्ट करेंगे, ऐसा काम करेंगे जो वो ऐसी बातें करेंगे और ऐसा काम करेंगे जो यंग को समझ आ रही है. आपको सिंपल बातें बताता हूँ. जैसे जेप्टो वाले
जी.
21-year-old सर,
जी.
एंड दे हैव ओपन जेप्टो. दे स्टार्टेड जेप्टो. और जेप्टो को देख के अब कितने लोग और शुरू हो गए. बिग इंडस्ट्रियल हाउसेज आल्सो वी आर starting 15-minute delivery because somebody saw 21 who was 19, they were 19 both of them, saw that यार 19 20 में क्या हमारे में impatience है, हमें हर
सही
चीज़
बात।
जल्दी चाहिए,
सही बात।
impatient generation बोलते हैं ना, उन्हें जल्दी चाहिए, तो उन्होंने ऐसा कुछ स्टार्ट किया। तो ऐसे ही आप देखो सर, बहुत सारे किसी भी एरिया में देखोगे ना, उन्हें ये पता होगा कि यार हमारी जनरेशन को जैकेट ऐसे नहीं चाहिए, हमारी जनरेशन को जैकेट चाहिए जिसमें हुडी हो,
Correct.
जिसमें यहाँ पे पावर बैंक का
So
कुछ
they
हो।
will know the product.
They will know the product. They can also hire people who are experienced. People like me will invest in them saying यार इनको पता है ये क्या करना चाहते हैं, लोग तो मिल जाएंगे काम करने वाले, बट ये पैशन, ये एग्रेशन और ये नहीं मिलेगा।
So tell me one thing. You are saying that you'll invest in a 15-year-old
Yeah.
who knows what will work among people of his age.
Yes.
But will he know the market? Will he know the distribution? Will he know the people? Will he know the systems? Will he know the logistics, the operations, the profit margins?
No.
But more importantly, will he have the experience of life?
No.
अब ये बोलते हैं ना कि गलती जितनी करोगे उतनी तुम सीखोगे।
Yeah.
अब 15 साल के बच्चे ने तो ज़्यादा सीखा नहीं है, लाइफ की एक्सपीरियंस नहीं हुई है, तो वो क्या रिस्क फैक्टर नहीं होगा आपके लिए एज एन इन्वेस्टर?
100% होगा सर।
तो
मैं
कैसे उससे मिटिगेट करेंगे हम?
मैं आपको बताता हूँ सर, मैं ये जरूरी नहीं है कि जो अगर वो 15 साल का है तो मैं इन्वेस्ट कर ही दूंगा।
हाँ वो सही।
पैसे सर हमारे पेड़ पे तो उगते नहीं है,
जी।
मनी प्लांट करके एक प्लांट होता है, उससे मनी नहीं आता सर, मेहनत से आता है।
Good
मेहनत
logic.
से पैसे कमाए, ठीक है, तो अच्छी जगह इन्वेस्ट करेंगे, गलत
जी,
जगह तो
हाँ।
इन्वेस्ट करेंगे, सोचेंगे भी 15 साल में कौन केपेबल है कौन नहीं है। तो मैं आपको सिंपल बताता हूँ सर, आपने जो बातें बोली ना कि ये उसमें नहीं होगा,
हाँ।
करेक्ट, बट उसमें वो चीज़ होगी जो उसको कंज्यूमर को समझने की, जो बाकी जो 40 ईयर ओल्ड प्लस होगा ना सर, उसमें वो चीज़ नहीं होगी।
नहीं होगा।
बाकी चीज़ें होंगी, उसको समझ आता होगा ऑपरेशंस कैसे चलाना है, फाइनेंस कैसे संभालना है, प्रॉफिट कैसे लाना है, और उसे मार्केट ही नहीं समझ आती होगी ना, जो वो मार्केट को केटर कर रहा है। सो इट डिपेंड्स ऑन विच मार्केट, विच प्रोडक्ट, विच कैटेगरी, हाउ इज ही हैंडलिंग दैट, ऑल एवरीथिंग कैन बी बिल्ड सर, everything else can also be built. Do you think I will not get people who can run administration properly? Do you think I can not get a good COO for him? If I invest in him, I will get a good guy who can, a matured guy. There are more matured guys available, sir, but there are less passionate young startup founders available, sir. कंपनी चलाने में लोग मिल जाएंगे जो ये फाइनेंस
So you
फंक्शन
see,
करने के लिए
running the organization is not a problem. The vision is the problem.
the vision, the passion, the product market fit is very
Now
important.
tell me
and
one
the founder
thing.
market fit.
Tell me one thing. This is very useful now.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
वरना तो सर सारे 40 साल के ऊपर वाला बिजनेस बहुत सही चला रहे होते हैं ना, जब तो
सबके
नहीं उनके भी
experience
चल रहे
होती-
होते
सबके
हैं, एक्सपीरियंस तो सबके पास है, नहीं कर पा रहे ना, ऐसा तो नहीं सब कर पा रहे।
मैं भी तो 40 साल के ऊपर था, मैंने तो शुरू कर दिया।
But I'm saying that it's not necessary that all 15-year-old do well or all.
Thank you for the backhanded compliment. Now the
But
question.
you're doing well, sir. You're also
I'm
an
okay.
entrepreneur.
I'm enjoying it. Let me
Yeah,
tell
yeah,
you.
yeah.
Let me tell you. I'd be dead if I was not an entrepreneur.
Oh, very nice, sir.
And if I don't do a new thing every few months, I
Yeah.
get terribly bored.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
don't think I'm challenging myself anymore.
This
at
is a
all.
new thing, sir. You know.
This is a new
Yeah,
thing.
you're wearing casual jacket and I'm wearing.
Come on, yeah. Don't make my wearing casual. Don't make my wearing
I thought I'm
casual.
going to meet Arnab, so I have to wear like a little
Suit. People feel formal when they meet me.
Yeah,
Really? Do I have that formal vibe?
Yeah, you have a.
Ladies and gentlemen, please note this. Aman is saying that I have a formal vibe. I will have a carry myself in a more formal manner in the future.
The nation wants to know, sir. Why do you have such a formal
ये
vibe?
stereotype बन गया है.
Why do you have a formal
ये
vibe?
stereotype बन गया है.
Why?
This has become a bad stereotype.
Well, it's
now.
not. This is something
One
you
day,
stand for.
once there was a politician who went with me on a flight. I was on 1A, he was on 1B. I had abused him, attacked him, accused him of the worst scams for the last
Phew.
2 years.
Great.
And then he sat next to me and we were very uncomfortable. I kept looking out, kept looking. I kept looking the other way just before landing in Mumbai. He said, "You're Arnab?" No, I said, "Yeah." He said, "I was wondering you were quiet all this time."
That's a profession, right? And you built your name that way, right? And that's why people also love you.
But intuition बहुत बड़ी चीज होती है. मुझे लगता है जो successful entrepreneurs है, they have an intuition about things. Now,
100%.
when we see you on Shark Tank,
Yes.
you and the other sharks,
Yes.
right? And you're all taking investment decisions.
Yes.
And there's a lot of froth, there's a lot of humor, there may
Yeah.
be a lot of tense moments.
Yeah, absolutely.
But I believe that investing is a serious business.
Yep.
As you said, money does not grow on trees, right? Now, if you're investing, how do you discriminate whether a person has the mental capacity or the equilibrium to take good business decisions? Because at the end of the day, discipline, rigor, hard work, these are as important as a good product idea, right? You know so many
Absolutely.
people who have had a great idea and not been able to execute it.
Yeah.
Don't you know many people in your own generation
100%. Yeah, yeah.
who had the idea but
Uh-huh.
couldn't do it because they didn't have the discipline to
Correct.
build a company,
Correct.
right?
Correct.
So how do you find out? You look at a
Sir,
person's size, वो कैसे पता चलता है? वो जरूरी है कि सब कुछ Excel sheet में होती है?
अरे सर
मुझे नहीं लगता है कि everything can be on an Excel sheet, right?
This
So
is a-
tell me the secret of investing Aman Gupta style.
Sir, this is a beautiful question.
Yes.
I'll tell you the
Thank
answer.
you.
ठीक है. First year when I went to Shark Tank,
Huh.
I was not an investor. I had not even invested in a few companies.
Okay.
I had just started my company few years back, and I got money in January from my investor who gave me a little bit of money as a secondary sellout. And then by the end of the year, the Shark Tank came. By August, I started shooting.
This was which year?
2021,
All right.
and I was not an investor.
Ah.
I didn't know how investment happens. What do investors look at?
Huh.
Because I was busy building boat.
Correct.
I was busy building my company.
Which is a good thing.
And suddenly, the Shark Tank came in, and I was supposed to be on the chair.
Yeah.
So it was very easy for me making decisions. I used to look at,
How's that?
huh?
How's that?
Yeah, I didn't know Excel sheets. Sir, even today, I don't care about Excel sheet.
I love that. I love that. I just love it. I think many great ideas can end with an Excel sheet, but they won't begin with one.
सर एक्सेल शीट तो मुझे आज भी सबको पता है कि मेरे को ना देयर इज अ लाइन व्हिच आई ऑलवेज से
Well done, Aman. Well done.
Thank you, sir.
So proud of you.
आई डोंट बिलीव इन डेटा सर आई बिलीव इन डाटा डाटा
Not data. दाता देता है.
डाटा देता है सर
दाता देता है,
I don't
but
know, sir.
देता दाता नहीं है.
यार डेटा कुछ नहीं है सर
Oh, wonderful.
डेटा तो सर मैं बताऊं मैंने एक जगह सीखा था सर एक ना मैं कंसल्टिंग कंपनी से सीखा था आपको उनको जो एनालिसिस करनी है ना पॉजिटिव चाहिए नेगेटिव चाहिए उनको बता दो वो वही बना के दे
I'm
देंगे
telling you, they can prove anything right
Yeah.
and wrong. इसमें कोई डिगर नहीं है.
अगर सबको पता होता है कि आज की रेट पे
So Excel sheet does not create businesses.
No,
Excel
zero.
sheets don't carry great
जीरो
ideas.
जीरो अगर ऐसा होता तो हर कोई कॉपी पेस्ट कंट्रोल भी करके और बिजनेसेस बन जाते हैं ऐसे बने क्या
तो
कभी
फिर पता कैसे चलता है जब आप शार्क टैंक में आपने कहा कि फर्स्ट टाइम यू वेंट
बंदा सर बंदा
व्हाट इज बंदा
बंदा मीन्स द पर्सन the guy you're very bad in Hindi spend some time
I'm translating. I am very good with this Delhi wala Hindi. You want me to start? But the thing is that I have
Banda
to,
means that
because
guy.
you have said that I'm a formal kind of guy. I have to keep a certain
Okay.
polish.
Sorry.
You see,
Got it.
But
sir but that guy that person that human being inside can do it I'm telling you mark my words sir
yeah,
it's a statement in the last 5 years the best company has been this company called Let's Try. I invested in it in season 1. Nobody else invested with me. Okay? Because all these Excel sheet investors said no, it cannot make. And he makes, chips. He makes bhujiyas. And he's a outstanding guy. Everybody said, यार इतनी बड़ी company है, कितना बड़ी company बना लेगा. I invested around 12 lakh rupees in that company. And that 12 lakhs is already 40 crores, sir. I got an
What do you
purchase
say?
opportunity for 40 crores. It's the best investment for Shark Tank
Incredible.
India.
Incredible.
5 years history by any founder, by any shark.
wow.
Yeah, so 12 लाख के 40 करोड़ सर और वो बंदे में दम था मैंने बोला यार ये कुछ ना कुछ कर ले
What did you see in the guy? Tell me.
सर आग
What is the product?
सर chips
Chips.
yeah healthier chips
Hmm.
cooked well same bhujia
Hmm.
and biscuits and just
What percentage equity did you take in that?
very small sir कितना था हमारा 8%
So when you come in, you go in as a financial investor.
no sir
Are you a financial
I'm
investor or a
not
strategic investor?
For financial investment, I'm not a financial investor. There are many financial investors available in the market. I like to help people because I always say this, sir. I never had a mentor, sir, in my life. I had no mentor in my life that who could help me, And I feel that when I can help somebody, and there's a big, if you look at the world today, everybody has mentors and godfathers and all that, right? I didn't have anybody like that who could help me and tell me what is right, what is wrong. So I learned it through my failures. I learned it through my life, right? So I personally will, if I can help somebody in that position, I feel nice.
No, that's a good thing. What is the help you provide, if I may ask? Like, would
So-
it be advice? Would it be an ecosystem?
Advice, ecosystems, connections. कि भाई तेरे को अभी फंडिंग नहीं उठानी चाहिए तो इस पे वैल्यूएशन पे उठा ले इस इन्वेस्टर को ले ले सारे इन्वेस्टर्स भी अच्छे नहीं होते दे आर नॉट मेनी गुड इन्वेस्टर some good investors
How do you discriminate between a good and a bad investor?
Sir, good investor is one who stays with you ups and downs, right? Because there will be downs. My company also had downs. Everybody in life has had downs, right? तो डाउन्स में जो रहता है ना तुम्हारे साथ वो एक्चुअली इन्वेस्टर है। तो अप्स में तो हर कोई तालियां मारने आ जाता है,
सही बात।
हर कोई बोलता है वाओ यू आर अमेजिंग, टेक माय मनी, बट जब कोई डाउन जा रहा होता है उसको जब वहाँ सपोर्ट सबसे ज़्यादा चाहिए, प्लस में नहीं चाहिए। तो वो होता है गुड इन्वेस्टर, वो होता है इन्वेस्टर जो इंसान को इंसान समझे, हु लुक्स एट दैट पर्सन एंड सेज दैट दिस गाय इज अ गाय, ही इज नॉट अ मशीन, वी कैन मेक मिस्टेक्स, लेट हिम मेक मिस्टेक्स, so he is a good investor. I personally feel my thing with these founders is उनको जैसे चाहिए होता है अमन अब मेरे को क्या करूँ, क्या कैंपेन लॉन्च करूँ, कैसे करना चाहिए, तो मैं उसको वहाँ से बोलता हूँ इससे मिला दे, तेरी कंपनी इसमें अच्छी है, उसके साथ बैठो आधा एक घंटा उसके साथ, क्योंकि हम उसके आई हैव बीन देयर डन दैट, आई कैन जस्ट हेल्प हिम। सम पीपल टेक दैट एडवाइस, सम पीपल डोंट टेक दैट एडवाइस। वो 3 इडियट्स में दे से नो 3 की एडवाइस है, लेनी है लो, नहीं लेनी जाने दो।
This is it's a very realistic perspective of investing that you have provided.
Yeah.
But also the definition of a good and bad investor. But there are also investors who will sit on your head,
Yeah.
who will try and decide for you,
Yeah.
who will think that they know better than you.
Ah.
Isn't that also a pain?
It is.
You know, isn't that
Yeah,
a
yeah.
big worry?
Yeah,
You
yeah.
know, which is why you always ask
Yeah,
a
yeah.
person, are you a financial investor or a strategic
Yeah,
investor?
100%.
If you're a strategic investor, come with good intent, absolutely fine.
Yeah.
But if you're a strategic investor wanting to
Make money out
prove
of
that you know the domain
Yeah, yeah.
better, then it becomes a problem.
Yeah, no.
Tell me one thing, Aman. How do you deal with egos? In this program, the new business of life, I want the takeaway to be about how you deal with life after listening to this episode. And by the way, though we are not talking theory, there's a lot of learning.
Yeah.
कभी-कभी आपको हुआ है कि you had to deal with big egos,
हाँ 100%
right?
सर, रोज होता है।
And you being a Delhi ka boy can't back off
Yeah.
because because you know there
Yeah,
must
yeah.
be those moments, right?
Yeah.
Do you know how to? Do you have the ability to grind your teeth, let it be, and not respond?
Yeah.
How do you deal with frayed egos in
Yeah.
business?
Yeah.
कोई story है आपके पास, कोई experience है which you'd like to share with us, please?
सर होता
Without
है,
naming XYZ person.
सर होता है, कब इन्वेस्टर्स को तो हमेशा ये लगता है कि वो भगवान है,
अच्छा.
पैसे दे रहे हैं तो उनको सब आता है,
हाँ.
राइट। और मुझे यही प्रॉब्लम है सर इंडिया में इन्वेस्टमेंट हिस्ट्री, इफ यू सी दे आर मोस्टली पीपल फ्रॉम फाइनेंस बैकग्राउंड्स, दे हैव बीन बैंकर्स, टेल मी अ फ्यू एंटरप्रेन्योर्स हु बीन इन्वेस्टर्स, नॉट मेनी, दे आर ओनली बैंकर्स हु नो एक्सेल शीट्स, हु नो who never probably run their own businesses. They're there because they were not the founder ecosystem was not built. It's now the time that the founders are becoming investors, which is a good sign for the country. ईगो तो सर होती है इन्वेस्टर्स में, सबसे ज़्यादा होती है, भाई जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ ऐसे ही होता है, मैंने करा हुआ है, आई नो हाउ इट इज, राइट। एंड द बेस्ट एंटरप्रेन्योर्स आर हु लिसन टू एवरीथिंग, वो कहते हैं ना सुनो सबकी करो अपनी, राइट। यू हैव टू लिसन टू देम एंड अंडरस्टैंड, यार कई बार जी वो सही भी बोल सकते हैं, आई एम नॉट सेइंग दे आर रॉन्ग, सुन भी सकते हो उनकी, हमने बहुत बार सुनी है और बहुत बार इग्नोर करा है। मैं आपको सिंपल एग्जांपल देता हूँ, जब हम स्टार्ट कर रहे थे तो एक इन्वेस्टर हमें मिला, कहता यार एफएम में ऐड नहीं करते तुम लोग, एफएम बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है।
FM में ऐड नहीं करते।
हाँ एफएम, मैं सर एफएम में नहीं हो सकता, तो मैं थोड़ा सा ना वो थोड़ा सा होने लगे कि मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ ऐसे करो, ऐसे ऐड होनी चाहिए। एफएम मतलब ये एफएम चैनल्स, उसमें ऐड करो, मैंने बोला ऐसे ही होता है। मैंने सर आप ही चला लो ना फिर उसको
You said that.
Yeah, I
You
said it. मैंने सर मेरे हिसाब से तो नहीं चलना
Was
चाहिए।
that an investor?
Yeah, investor.
And then what happens?
कुछ नहीं सर, उसे समझ आ गया कि भाई ये तो सुनेगा नहीं,
हाँ.
तो जो उसको बोल सकते हो
हाँ.
बट करेगा तो ये अपनी,
हाँ.
तो करी, फिर उसने छोड़ दिया, फिर उसके बाद मुझे
So you have to push back also.
100% सर,
Hmm?
100%। हमारी कंपनी इवेंचुअली सर पता है होगा क्या,
Hmm.
सक्सेस होगी ना
Hmm.
तो हर कोई लेने आ जाएगा कि हमने इन्वेस्ट किया था, हमने एडवाइस की थी।
Yeah.
फेलियर होगी ना तो सर फाउंडर को अलग कर देंगे कि इससे नहीं चलाई गई।
हाँ.
यू नो दे से नो सक्सेस हैज मेनी फादर्स एंड
Failure has none.
Yeah, तो ये बात सच है। They will all come down to the founders and they will all ignore the investors.
But you know what happens with companies that like yours and others is that the rise is very quick in a short period of time.
Yeah.
Short period of time.
Yeah.
And on top of it, for you,
Yeah.
this whole thing of celebrityhood has also come in a big way.
Yeah, yeah,
So
100%.
you're not an ordinary entrepreneur, you know. You've done things, you've built a business, you've built a organization, you built a brand,
Okay.
but you've also built yourself.
Yeah.
And you are now a known personality.
Yeah,
You know, do you see
yeah.
the number of people who recognize
Yeah.
you, know you, watch
Yeah.
you? How do you keep your head on your shoulders? जरा बताइए मुझे.
Very good.
How do you remain quote unquote normal? How are you, Aman? Are you normal at home?
100% sir.
Are you? What has changed about you? What are you? Do you have to remind yourself every day that you've got to keep your head on your shoulders? How do you deal with this level of fame and success multiplied with each other?
Again, an amazing question, sir. I tell you my view.
Yeah.
I had a few failures. That could not change me.
Give me an example now.
So जब
Now I want a story,
हाँ मैं बता
an anecdote from
जब
you
फेल होता है ना
about
सर
failure.
जब
Yeah.
फेल होते हैं ना तो everybody starts looking down on you, right? That you must not have done well. You must be a loser. You must not know how to do business.
You must have taken strategically wrong
Wrong
decisions.
decisions.
You must have not listened to that person's advice.
Yeah, so
Then-
you're not a good, you're not a good entrepreneur.
Yes.
Maybe you don't know, you're dumb. I don't know. All that people start saying and thinking in their mind. And I can see it on when I'm talking to you that they are thinking, I don't know it and they know it all, right? When you're not doing it. But that time also, nobody could change me. I thought that I am good. I know it. I will do it and I will do it well. Again, another failure happened. And again, people started doubting.
How do you believe in yourself at that time?
But I said,
Because when you're failing,
yeah,
you must have self-doubt.
it happens.
You must have. In your lonely moments,
Yeah.
I'm sure in front of people you pretend that everything's hunky-dory. But in your lonely moments, there must be moments when you yourself question your own decisions and ask, was I right?
हाँ सर
Did I make a mistake?
या होता है सर बहुत बार होता है कि अपने आप को वो लगता है दैट इज़ द टाइम यू हैव टू ट्रस्ट इन गॉड एंड आई ट्रस्ट इन गॉड सर मेरे को लगता है कि जैसे आप बोल रहे थे ना कि इतना कुछ हुआ है तेरे साथ वाई इज दैट हैपनिंग आई एम एन एवरेज गाय सर आई एम नॉट अ सुपर इंटेलिजेंट गाय आस्क माई फ्रेंड्स हु आर सुपर इंटेलिजेंट हु गॉट थ्रू द बेस्ट रैंक्स इन CA or maybe the best ranks in IITs or best rank in ISBs then I'm from. I'm not as crazy as I'm not dumb. I'm not over smart. I'm just a smart young guy. And I think God has been very kind to me, sir. And I personally believe.
No, my question was on self-doubt.
I'm saying, sir. And then that is the time when you always say, "यार भगवान कुछ गलत तो नहीं किया मैंने आप प्लीज़ मेरे को बचा लेना मैं फिर से ट्राई करने जा रहा हूँ लेट मी ट्राई अगेन you believe in yourself believe in God and I think things fall in place you do the right things and self doubt is part of life sir क्यों नहीं आएगा आज भी आ रहा है whatever you're
Maybe
doing
heebie-jeebies है?
EBGB मतलब
The heebie-jeebies means butterflies in your stomach.
और क्या sir
Worries.
worry will always be there sir it's part of life no
Yes, worry is part of it. That's okay. But what is the secret of your marketing? You've not done a, you're not a certified marketing professional.
I've never studied marketing
But
sir
you've never studied marketing.
no I was a
right?
finance
As
major
you're a finance guy. So then, what the success of Boat?
Yeah.
And I've had the great pleasure of knowing some people who worked in your company. They're fantastic people on the marketing side.
yeah
They all say that you've put a real emphasis on marketing. Almost more than 50% of your focus has been
Yeah.
on the marketing of the product, right? Why is marketing so important? The product should speak for itself, Aman. Why do you need to market your product? Let it be through word of mouth. हुआ तो हुआ, नहीं हुआ तो नहीं हुआ. What was the success of marketing in the story of Boat? And where did you learn your lesson on marketing that worked for you and maybe didn't work for others?
सर मैं आपको सिंपल बात बताता हूँ एक ना रिमाइंड में ये होता ना उसने वहाँ पे नाचा किसने देखा ऐसा कुछ है ना कि
More
हाँ मोर
जंगल में मोर नाचे.
वाओ यू नो वेरी नाइस
जंगल में मोर नाचे. Hindu college, केंद्रीय विद्यालय.
नाउ इट इज कमिंग आउट सर जंगल में मोर नाचा किसने देखा आई न्यू द डायलॉग आई जस्ट वांटेड यू टू फुलफिल इट राइट कंप्लीट इट तो जंगल में मोर नाचा किसने देखा अब अगर आपने अच्छा प्रोडक्ट बना दिया किसी को दिखाया नहीं तो किसको क्या पता लगेगा कि अच्छा है नहीं है आपको किसी को बताना तो पड़ेगा वो बताने का स्टाइल अलग होता है वो बताने
Style
का
क्या होता है?
स्टाइल क्या होता है सर आप ना मैं आपको बताता हूँ कि हर कंज्यूमर ना रोज चेंज हो रहा है आपका हर बंदा चेंज हो रहा है आपको सिंपल बताता हूँ कि बंदा चेंज हो रहा है और अगर आपके मार्केटर्स चेंज नहीं होंगे ना तो आपकी कंपनी आपका प्रोडक्ट आपकी मार्केटिंग भी फेल हो जाएगी
अच्छा.
मेरी कंपनी में ना 25-26 साल के जो मार्केटिंग के लोग होते हैं ना उन्हें समझ आता है क्या हो रहा है एवरी ईयर आई ब्रिंग अ लॉट ऑफ इंटर्न्स हु आर फ्रेश हु गिव फ्रेश आइडियाज़ तो जो पुराने हो जाते हैं ना लॉयल्टी वो उनका मेरे को ना लॉयल्टी से कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता था कोई 20 साल भी काम करा हो उसमें बट वो अगर फ्रेश नहीं होगा अगर वो अपने आप को क्या बोलते हैं अपस्किल नहीं करेगा तो भाई कंज्यूमर तो कुछ और है ना कंज्यूमर तो चेंज हो रहे हैं आप चेंज नहीं हो रहे तो आप मर जाओगे सो एवरी ईयर मैं आपको सिंपल एक और
Tell me the
एग्जांपल
breakout campaign, like breakout thought.
ब्रेकआउट आउट ये है सर जैसे मैं आपको एक अभी ना बहुत सारे इंटर्न्स उठाते हैं और हम इंटर्न्स उठाते हैं ना जब तो इंटर्न्स को ना कोई इंटर्न्स उठाते हैं हम उनको ना बेटर पता होता है हमसे कि आजकल वो लोग क्या देख रहे हैं मतलब मेरे को ये भी नहीं पता होता कोई आता है सर आजकल ये इन्फ्लुएंसर एक स्पीड करके वो इन्फ्लुएंसर था 2 साल पहले हमारी कंपनी ने बोला सर ही इज कमिंग टू इंडिया व्हाई डोंट यू साइन हिम मतलब ये है कौन मैं देखता हूँ और उसमें देखा उसको तो क्रेजी फैन फॉलोइंग है इंडिया में भी
अच्छा
हाँ और अब सबको पता ही वो स्पीड कौन है आपको भी पता ही होगा
हाँ
तो स्पीड जैसे इन्फ्लुएंसर आ गया सिंपल बताता हूँ एपी ढिल्लों वाज नॉट एपी ढिल्लों व्हेन आई साइंड हिम एज अ ब्रांड एम्बेसडर एंड व्हेन आई डिड
what did you see in him
I didn't see anything. I didn't even hear any of his songs.
then
My team, my interns knew what he was. So he was coming to India. I said, यार वो कहते सर इसको ले लेते हैं बहुत तगड़ा बंदा है he is the next rage. वो इंडिया है सर मेरे को politicians के और बहुत सारे लोगों के फ़ोन आ रहे हैं कि यार इसकी टिकट दिलाओ हमारे बेटे को इससे मिलाओ
अच्छा
मतलब he was influential. I didn't even know that people are fan following. You know there are so many fans he has. तो वो मुझे नहीं पता मेरे बच्चों को पता है बच्चे मतलब मेरे
so you're looking at reach
I'm looking at
Penetration.
young. I'm looking at what the youth is doing. I'm looking at what the young India is buying. I'm looking at how the young India is spending their time. आपको सिंपल एग्जांपल बताऊँ आप YouTube आप जो कह रहे हो YouTube शॉर्ट्स करके और रील्स हैं इंस्टाग्राम रील्स आपको पता है आधे लोग वही देखते रहते हैं एक डेढ़ घंटा जो पहले लोग कुछ और देख रहे होते थे आजकल रील्स देख रहे हैं सो इफ आई एम नॉट अवेलेबल ऑन रील्स इफ आई एम नॉट अवेलेबल ऑन शॉर्ट्स then I'm missing a lot of population right so my marketing effort should go towards reach.
what percentage of your time goes into marketing
Me, I used to give a lot of time only on marketing because my co-founder used to handle products. But now I have a big team which is handling everything.
so in the new business of life I want to get the fundas right I look upon life in terms of two things Aman fundamentals and incidentals
Yeah.
for me the fundamentals are the important things that you should spend 90% of your time on and incidentals may take 90% of your time but you must reduce it to the 10% that it actually deserves
Okay.
and everything in life for me is about prioritizing
Good.
including personal for me prioritizing personal is also very critical for me
Yeah.
now at this stage of your life you're still very young
Yeah.
boat is matured you are a celebrity
Yeah.
right but trust me Aman boat and Shark Tank isn't the end of your story is probably the beginning of your story that's the way I'd like to look at it so
Wow.
what next for you now
So
what are
it's-
you thinking of doing you already achieved great success I was very proud when I saw you next to the Prime Minister in I think France
Thank you. Yes, sir.
was it France
Yes.
you were there and it was a state dinner or
Yes.
something
Yes, I was amazing.
you obviously chosen for that
Yeah.
loved it recognition
Oh, I loved it.
recognition yeah you loved it
Oh,
huh
one of the best moments of my
you
life.
also got a creators award from the Prime
Yes.
Minister
Yes, sir.
from the Prime Minister
Yes, sir.
Prime Minister sort of loves you
I hope he does. I just wish he keeps doing that. Yeah.
well you're not the only one who would hope that in this country but anyway
I love him, so sometimes I expect love. back.
have you had some informal moments with him in these meetings
Yeah,
are you very formal in front of him or are you like a Delhi boy
नहीं.
अब कैसे हैं
No, I'll tell you that's a very funny situation which happens when I meet somebody I look up to.
right
So I actually met Shah Rukh Khan also last month,
Right.
and I always wanted to meet him.
Right.
Same way I really wanted to meet our Prime Minister of our country, Narendra Modi ji. I really wanted to meet him. But when he's in front of me, I become a little lost. I have a brain fade moment when I don't know why. It has happened to me twice or thrice. One day at one of the shows, he was walking up past me like this. He was doing Namaste. So he went past me. I had Namaste, and I kept doing Namaste even after he left. And I realized that
It happens.
he left, right? Then second time when I met him, when he gave me the award, I thought I will say X, Y, and Z.
Yeah.
But when I went to say, I said A, B, and Z. I didn't know. I was lost.
Yeah.
I was not myself. I
Yeah.
could have been much different, much better, much articulated,
No, no.
and much. I didn't rehearse. I felt numb. And I said in that 1 minute, I said sir like 50 times. So people on my Instagram have read, in this 1 minute, Aman has said sir 50 times or something.
होता है,
right?
होता है,
हो जाता है मेरे
होता है
को.
यार,
तो मैं nervous हो जाता हूँ sir.
होता है
So I got nervous there. And I met him once more. It was a funny moment. I was standing next to him. Photo opportunity थी हमारी France में. And we took a picture. And I got an opportunity to stand right out behind the French president and Modi ji. So I was just there. फोटो खींची के बाद मोदी जी पीछे मुड़े. कहते क्या हाल है? और मेरे को I didn't expect कि he will say this, right? And I was like, Actually, I said, sir, ठंड बहुत लग रही है. And everybody else is like, that is not what you're supposed to
You
say.
are supposed to say,
Yeah.
बहुत अच्छा है. These are the financials of my company. This is how I'm contributing to the sector.
I didn't know he's looking at my
But
eyes.
होता है, but
और
होता
मेरे
है,
बहुत अच्छा,
होता
very
है,
nice.
होता है.
I
It's
don't
like
know
that,
why,
you
I
know.
just...
The Prime Minister always, you know, he has such a he is a great listener and a great observer.
सर ऑरा उनका बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है, मुझे
जी.
बहुत डर लगता है.
नहीं नहीं, अगली बार आप
I hope.
better luck next time. नहीं, but may going back to my question. Now what next for you, Aman?
सर ये बहुत ये ना मेरे को एक्चुअली
और अपने पर्सनल लाइफ के बारे में थोड़ा बताइए. How are you personally at this stage of your life? How's family? And what are you planning now to do?
Sir,
with the experience, opportunity, brand value, wealth that you have and are going to have. Next gig, what's your next gig?
You asked me about wealth, right? I think it's all subjective. I read a very good story somewhere that एक साइकिल वाला होता है, वो ये एक्सपेक्ट करता है कि यार मेरे को किसी तरह एक स्कूटर मिल जाए. स्कूटर वाला होता है वो कहता है यार एक बार बस एक मोटरसाइकिल मिल जाए. मोटरसाइकिल वाला कहता है यार एक गाड़ी खरीद लो बस एक. गाड़ी वाला कहता है यार एक मर्सिडीज खरीद लो बस एक. हाँ, फिर वो कहता है यार एक बार मैं फ्लाइट में चले जाऊँ. वो अगेन साइकिल मोटरसाइकिल गाड़ी वाला और फ्लाइट में था. फ्लाइट वाला कहता है यार बिजनेस क्लास चल जाऊँ. बिजनेस क्लास वाला कहता है यार इतना पैसा आ जाएगी फर्स्ट क्लास चल जाऊँ. फर्स्ट क्लास कहता है यार इतने पैसा आ जाएगी मैं प्राइवेट जेट खरीदूँ. प्राइवेट जेट वाला कहता है यार ये वाली नहीं बड़ा वाला खरीद लो. सो इट्स ऑल सब्जेक्टिव, राइट? यू थिंक आई हैव मनी. Somebody, for me, that money might, for somebody else.
No, I didn't mean money. I meant what is your next gig? What is your next game?
Yeah. But for somebody, for me, that might not be big. Right?
No, so, good. I'm very happy to hear that because, you know, that's not. But in your fundamental, what is your next game?
So I
actually are you looking at post boat, post other things, post Shark Tank? What do you see yourself 10 years from now? 5-10 years from now?
You look like a typical HR question.
Huh?
That looks like
really?
a typical HR question.
I am very good with HR.
Where do you see yourself 5 years from
5
now?
years from now. In your job, doing your job, taking over from you, ensuring that you are without a job. Huh?
No, that will.
No, you tell me your answer.
I actually can't stop. The problem is I asked ChatGPT once.
No.
मैं ChatGPT से पूछा what do rich people do? ठीक है.
But they ask ChatGPT.
Yeah, I did.
And then, what do rich people do?
Yeah, because I'm rich. I was not rich before.
Now, what do you do? What do I do?
What do I do?
Okay.
I was feeling यार अब पैसा तो आ गया, अब टचवुड जितना आया उतना मैं खुश हूँ. But मैं अब rich people क्या करते हैं? What do rich people do? तो उसने बोला 2-3 चीजें करते हैं. And I'll tell you, this is a frank answer. They said one is you start serving humanity, which is what a Bill Gates Foundation would do, or a Aziz Premji, or a Tata Trust. They might do, right? Helping humanity. Second is do something which humanity has never done, which is like probably a colonizing Mars, which probably an Elon Musk might be doing, or probably space tourism, which Jeff Bezos is doing, right? And there are third type of people who are obsessed with challenges, obsessed with growth, obsessed with opportunities, obsessed with doing something different. And that I think is me. So I've found that I am not, it's not that I don't do charities. My wife does a lot of charities. I don't think I can colonize Mars. I don't think I have dreams like that.
Yeah.
I think I am obsessed with growth, challenges, competition. And that drives me, sir.
Superb.
And that is what I'm planning to do. Trying to start a few more things, trying to start a few more ventures, and life will go on. I will never retire. I don't think I will ever retire.
No, you should never retire. I am also never going to retire.
Yeah.
I think we'll continue.
Yeah. Please call me for your next,
Yeah.
Mercedes.
Yeah, why not? We can serialize this. But I like your thought of not retiring because I think it's a very lame idea to say that I'm going to retire early. This is my own thought. It's a very lame and predictable thing. I want to retire at 40 or 50. And then what the hell do you want to do when you're 41 or 51? Just sit around and swat flies. So I think
then you go to the banks and meet the bank
go to the banks and meet the bank
spend
managers and count your money.
Yeah.
So I think it's a very good thing. What is coming across to me in this episode is one word, Aman.
Yeah.
and that is restlessness.
Oh, I am very restless.
And
have
I
no
think
patience.
that's restlessness
Yeah.
is what defines entrepreneurship.
Yeah, it is.
Restlessness is what defines enterprise.
Yeah.
Restlessness is what also defines success. You will never meet a successful man who's very rested and relaxed
Yeah.
and complacent.
Right.
Right? So I think that's one point I share with you.
Yeah.
I think we got to be
realize
restless.
that.
Yeah,
Wow.
I'm like that.
Very nice.
I'm like that. I just feel, Aman, that people think if you're restless, you're not content. I think you can be very content.
Yep.
Very content with everything you have.
Wow.
Be grateful to God for everything that you have.
Yeah.
But you can still be restless.
Absolutely.
But and restless not for money or material things alone, but restless to create something, do something, or challenge yourself. I don't know your philosophy of life, but I really hope that I am able to challenge myself for every day a little bit more for the rest of my life. I don't know your thoughts on this and on restlessness, because entrepreneurship is very important, I think, for people to not be very happy with what they have done already and sit on their laurels. Right? So can you give me your thoughts on it? Do you agree with this view first?
Yeah, I think so. But there is. I also agree that each one to their own, right? So
Yeah.
if I know a lot of friends. My wife also, she doesn't like this. This is not her personality. She doesn't want to be as reckless. No, not reckless. What was the word? Restless. She
Not
doesn't want-
reckless.
Not reckless. Restless. But also she doesn't want to be reckless like me. But she doesn't like to be. She likes her peace. She likes her time. She doesn't like to be what I do, how I do. And in fact, when I was telling her I want to do this, so she said one day said, I was few weeks back, she's like, आज भी तेरे अंदर वही आ गए तो तेरे अंदर 10 साल पहले थी और तुझे फिर से वो ऐसा कुछ करना है, ये करना है. मैं हूँ ऐसा सर. So, but she's different, I'm different. Each one to their own. So I am perfectly aligned to how she wants to think on how she wants to lead her life, and I want to lead my life the way I am.
Yeah.
If somebody wants to, nobody can change me, and I think nobody can change anyone.
That I totally respect. That you're respecting individual space, individual styles, individual traits. That I totally agree with.
Yeah.
But what about entrepreneurship? In entrepreneurship, should you be restless?
Not necessary, sir.
Not necessary?
Not necessary. It again depends on individuals, right? Like there are some entrepreneurs who want to grow at a certain pace, do decent business. I have a fire in my belly, right? And I want to run. I don't want to sit. And some entrepreneurs have built something and they want to just keep having a good way of life, keep increasing it the way they want to. That's not me. That's personality wise I want to run, and thankfully we have now a full structure. I have a full system in the company where there are people who guard me down, who control me. There are people now, we've got a professional CEO, right? He's running the show very differently. It is not necessarily everything Aman anymore. It's an organization. It's a corporate.
That's good.
It's a structure. It's a system. It's not just Aman Gupta now.
That's good.
It's good because it balances things out.
Yeah, absolutely. Let's wrap up there.
Yeah. Okay.
You know, Aman.
Yeah.
For me, I've really enjoyed this drive and our time together.
Yeah. Me too, sir.
And if I was to be told to sum up our conversation, I would say here are 4 things that would come to my mind about what you and I have spoken about.
Yeah.
The first would be, Aman, that you still retain the same passion that you did when you started.
Yeah, I do.
And the day the passion is dead, nothing can revive it. Not money,
Yeah.
nothing, right?
Yeah.
Aman?
Yeah.
So, do you see yourself having the same passion 10, 20, 30 years from now?
I hope so.
I hope
so. I don't know. Again, a child question. I don't know. You asked me what do you see yourself 10 years from now. I also don't know, sir. I didn't expect where I am. And I just keep doing the right things, and I just leave it on God. I'm sure things will fall in place again.
Yeah.
I, in fact, when I start thinking too much is when I actually don't do well.
Yeah.
I
I think
leave
you
it
have
to
a
people.
responsibility now, without planning your life too much, to spot 10 people who can be like you.
Yeah.
10 people who can build dreams like you.
Yeah, correct.
Right?
I love it. You're
I love it.
absolutely right.
And the best thing you said today is that you're not a financial investor. It was a trick question. I don't know if you realize.
Acha.
That means that you're not looking to grow money.
You can't take a journalist out of you, right? Even in this attire.
Never. No, but it was.
Yeah.
It had a lot of meaning. Your
Acha.
reply.
Yeah.
You're very unself-conscious as a person,
Yeah.
and your reply was very, very, very genuine. Where you said that you want to get involved in building someone else's dream.
Yeah.
So I think you're on the right path.
Yeah.
And though we are separated by quite a few years, I quite identify with you, and I want to wish you all the best.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, this
Thank you.
episode of Mercedes-Benz Brings You the New Business of Life has been for me a total joy, because I've realized that there is no filter between what Aman is as a person and what he shows on the screen. And he's seen so much success in the last 5 to 6 years. I would say 10 years, but the last 5 to 6 years has been absolutely fabulous.
Yeah.
I hope you replicate that story
Yeah.
and bring a lot of joy, get a lot of fame, and build a lot more dreams in the future.
Thank you.
Aman,
Thank
it's
you.
been a pleasure. Thank you for sparing the time.
Yeah, it was fun. It was nice. And can you just in the last line say what your famous line is?
The nation wants to know, and the nation has got to know today, a little bit more about Boat and Aman Gupta.
Yeah.
Aman,
Thank
wish you all
Arnab.
the best.
Thank you,
Aman.
sir.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.